to make an RNG system in Scratch. It's gonna be really simple, really easy, and this is the easiest way possible to make an RNG system. So before we actually get into the script, let's make the odds. So I'm just going to make a blue ball. So this is a 50% chance, a 25% chance, and so on. The higher the number, the lower the chance of getting it. Let's start with the script. Obviously, you can do whatever you want, like if the space bar is clicked or if you press a button like roll. In that case, I'm going to make a button so that this can help you guys. So when the green flag is clicked, or when the sprite is clicked, you can use whatever you prefer. I'll make two methods. However, if touching the mouse pointer and mouse down, this is a clicked function, so we can drag the AND statement and put it in there. And now we have this, we can literally make a broadcast. We can make a new broadcast and we can make it called roll. So we'll hit broadcast rolled, and yeah, this one's really easy. It's literally just when the sprite is clicked, broadcast roll. Now basically it doesn't do anything yet. This thing also does the exact same thing. So this script also works, don't worry about that. It both work. You can pick which one you want to use depending on which you fancy, but for this tutorial I'm going to use the simple one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this when I receive roll. So this is when you click on this, and this is when it's received the roll. So when you click on this, it broadcasts the roll, and you can receive the roll from here. So when I've received the roll, we can go to controls and then if statement. Now, depending on how many rarities you have, I have in this case 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, depending on how many if statements you have. So in this case, I will have 4 if statements. Perfect. And now we're going to go to operators and we're going to drag 4 pick randoms, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we need an equal to also 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to drag each pick random and put it inside this box. So we're going to put it inside this circle column, and this we put it in here. So it makes it nice and easy. And now we have the 4 different rarities. Yours might be more or yours might be less, so it depends. And now what we're going to do is go to costumes and we can pick the rarities. 1 in 2, 1 in 4, 1 in 32, and 1 in 8, I believe. Yup. So now we're going to have to change this data because this is incorrect. So basically, pick random from 1 to 2, because this is a 1 and 2, and if it picks the number 2, then it will switch costume to the most common one, which is the gray skin. So basically, if we click on this, you can see we keep getting gray because it's the most common skin, and we haven't fixed each of these functions yet. So what we're going to do is switch this one to 1 in 4, because this is a 1 to 4. 1 in 4 is the same as 1 to 4, and it should pick the number 4 to get the 1 in 4 chance, which is a 25% chance. There's a 50% chance you get this, and a 25% chance you get this. Same thing here, we're going to change this to 8, and p equals to 8. Perfect. And this one, we change this number to 32, and change this to 32. So you go on depending on how long your RNG. Yours might have 1 in 90,000 or 1 in 1,000 or 1 in 50 or 1 in, it depends, so you can go on obviously. And yeah, it's as simple as this. See, now we got a 1 in 4 because blue is 1 in, we actually just got a 1 in 32. So as you can see, I got quite lucky there. This is a 1 in 2, obviously, 50% chance. This is a 1 in, okay, I really need to know. This is a 1 in 8 actually. Okay, to make this easier, I'm going to put 2. I really do not know the colors. 1 in 4, 1 in 4 again, 1 in 32. Okay, I'm really lucky. 1 in 8, 1 in 8 again, 1 in 8 again. Why am I not getting a 50% chance, which is a 1 in 2? And yes, don't worry, this script does work. So yeah, that's literally all for this tutorial. I hope it helped you with your RNG game. Obviously, this is not very well polished. In the description below, I have 18,000 projects. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Waidsum Academy video. Thanks. You all have a good one.